Call Her Magic presents Alibi's skincare morning routine.
Cheers, my dear. It is me, Alibi the Beautifier, your visibility director, reporting live from Sunnyside, New York, and I want to share with you today my morning routine. What do I do to my face in the morning after I shower? So you see me here with my towel on my head, and the first thing I do, I use my magic water. I use the magic water, the brightening cleansing water, morning and night. Even if I don't have makeup, I still have the day on my face, and with the pollution just in the air, we need to remove that dead cell, the dead skin, all everything that gets stuck in our skin. This also helps. It's ideal for people that have super sensitive skin. It helps with rosacea. It helps with sun damage. It keeps the skin super hydrated and moisturized. You do not have to rinse it. And the great thing about it is that you do not feel you have something on your skin, but you will feel and see the improvement once you use it. I use 2 cotton rounds. I put them together. I get the magic water and just tap on it. Don't do from afar because you're going to lose a lot of product. So I just tap on it until I feel it on the other side. When I feel that it went through to the other side, that's when the cottons are full enough. You don't need to overfill them because that's just a waste of product again. I start with one side. I do half of my face, the other side, then I switch it around, the other side I do the other half, and then I just switch them around and get 2 clean slates, and I do an eye and an eye. And then don't forget that whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck and your cleavage. I like to do it in circles. Yeah, you can start from underneath and go up, however you want. So this also helps with the blackheads. So it really gets rid of all that not wanted, not needed skin. So it does create a mild exfoliation. For instance, I have some sun damage on my side. This one is getting much better because I've been really going in circles. Double chino. Let's clean the double chino. Cleavage. And as you can see, I just got off the shower, but still, there was still that dead cell, dead skin that was there, which the water, if you wash with water, is not going to remove. That is why, okay, so I'm turning it around. This is the one I just used. Now I'm going to use another clean slate for the other half of my face. I know water is, some of my ladies at the beginning, they were just, no, I wash my face with water. But the important thing to understand is that, okay, here and here, important thing to understand is that at night the skin is regenerating. So the old skin is going to stay in the surface. Okay, I'm explaining it in a way where everybody can understand, and then maybe if it's disgustingly visually disgusting, you will get along and you will understand how to do this. So at night the skin transforms itself, so you want for it to regenerate with a clean slate, right? You don't want dirt on dirt. That is why it's very important to remove the day off your face, even if you were wearing makeup or not. And then in the morning, you need to remove whatever is in the surface because the skin with regenerating, so you have to remove all that old skin. That is why you are seeing this, that even though I just took a shower, I still, it's really, but you see it's so smooth and it's got nice light. So now switch them around, 2 clean slates, and I go to one eye. Yeah, so this works as a toner as well. It's a hydrant. It moisturizes the skin, keeps it. Okay, sorry, the other side. I'm sorry myself. Keeps it super moisturized. The brightening cleansing water has got Arnica. It has a super calming complex with cucumber as well, and Cypress nut, Malt extract that helps inhibit blotchiness and promotes the healthy maintenance of the microcirculation. Like I can totally feel that there's something going on there. Skin is happy. So what else? It's got natural licorice extract, which prevents hyper-pigmentation from forming. So it's really cool. I do this is like 30 seconds. I just did it longer because I'm explaining more. Brightening cleansing water, you can get it in my beauty shop. You go to face and there you're going to find the brightening cleansing water. Then I do a little bit of eye enzyme. I love this cream. It's very nourishing, very protective. Look at the amount I'm using. It's like ridiculously small. Ring finger, I tap it with the other one. They share a little bit, and then I tap like a sun under the eye, and I keep tapping. This helps, of course, with lines and wrinkles, but it also helps with puffiness and with the dark circles. It really improves the texture of the skin and the color of the skin. And then once it sinks into the skin, you just don't feel it. But the good thing is that it's going to stay with you for the whole day. Like, you're not going to feel, at least this is what happens to me personally, I don't feel that my skin dries out. As I mentioned, it's a very cold day today in New York, so I have to go out, and I am going to use serum, and then I'm going to put the hydrating protection from Velvety as well. This is the skin transforming serum. I usually use the serum at night, but when it's super cold, I just put a little bit, and you see what I do, right? It's just a little bit here, share it with the other one, and I just tap a bit here around my eyes. The skin transforming serum, it tightens, it firms, it activates collagen and elastin. Okay, my towel is falling, so let's fix it. Activates collagen and elastin, and it really helps with the texture. Now I feel that my skin is like velvety, it's porcelain. It's beautiful. And the good thing is that it really reacts quickly with the skin, so it sinks in, and then bim, gone, not feeling it. And the last thing I do is I put a little bit of hydrating protection. It has SPF 15, necessary to be out in the sun and to be protected. And then once again, this is a moisturizer that stays with me all day. You see, this is what I do. You can do north, south, east, west, double chino, and chest. And then just tap it, and that's it. I'm ready for a little bit of makeup, but if I wouldn't want to, I can do just a little illuminator around my eyes, mascara, lips, gone, done. It is me, Velvety the Beautifier, reporting live from Sunnyside, New York. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! Morning routine. Ciao, see you later for my morning makeup routine. 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products. I'm gonna teach you everything. Beautiful.